क्या बे छोटू, हाँ पैसा लोगे हमसे? जानते हो हम कौन है?
जानने में क्या रखा है? आप जानते हैं हम कौन है? फिर और वैसे भी 50 रुपए देने में आपकी इतनी फट रही है तो पक्का आप कोई झंडू ही होंगे।
साले नहीं होता। ये लो।
और टिप? अरे 10% रेट है और ऊपर से आप तो कुछ ऑर्डर भी नहीं किए।
So friends, I actually don't see serials. Just I came across this video and I loved it so much. I want to talk about it. We can see that this child who probably doesn't have parents or probably is not supported by the parents, but because of that, one very positive thing has happened, and that is he has become so strong. He's tough guy. So even our kids, how they can be tough, strong at the right age is a challenge. So just like the potter, if he just gives nice shape to the pot and he colors it very well and then he gives it for use, that pot will not remain even for one day. But if that pot is put into furnace bhatti, then it can be used for many years. So in the same way, if children, if they are exposed to challenges after 12, then they also become very tough. So yes, it is said that till 5 years of age, they should be only loved and cared for, and between 5 and 12 they should be corrected very well wherever they go wrong. But after 12 they should be given nice challenges in their life to make them tough. So for that, even the parents should be tough and qualified. Just like if the child has to be doing exercises every day, then the father also should be showing, चलो ये सूर्य नमस्कार करो मेरे साथ, ऐसे करना होता है. The father should get up early in the morning if he wants the child to get up early in the morning, and there should not be any soft corner by the mothers. Actually, at this age, the family should work as a team, and a team leader must be the father. If the father says something, or everyone in the family, they should not be doing lard pyar, they should not be cuddling the child and spoiling the child. They should be supporting the father. For example, if the child doesn't like Karela Sabji, so he says, I don't want to eat Karela Sabji, and the father says, finish it off, and he says, no, I'm not going to eat, it's my choice. Then the father says, okay, from today onwards, for the next 15 days, there should be only Karela Sabji. And she also follows his instruction. And then the child every day is seeing Karela Sabji, and then he goes to his grandmother and she's also saying, yeah, no problem, Karela Sabji, I like it. And he goes to the mother and she says, I also like it, what can be done? Your father has instructed, so we'll be eating only Karela Sabji. And then he doesn't have a choice. Everyone is happy and there is no complaint by anyone, and they are so happy within themselves and no one is caring about him. And therefore, he also makes up his mind and says, maybe Karela Sabji is not bad. Let me try it. And he learns his lesson. So in this way, if we can give challenges so that the child learns discipline, he becomes tough, and tomorrow he learns how to tolerate, how to take up insults, how to take corrections, and how to live the life with whatever capacity a person has, to be satisfied in that and also to improve for the betterment.